The Material World 39. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a famous athlete whose undefeated streak had been broken. This incident is connected to narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 3618. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that every worldly thing which is raised high is eventually lowered by Allah, the Exalted. This does not mean Muslims should avoid the material world and trying to achieve success in it. Muslims should strive to obtain a worldly education and a lawful occupation, as it helps one to avoid unlawful wealth, and is required to fulfill one's responsibilities. Chapter 28 Al-Qasas, verse 77.
But seek, through that which Allah has given you, the home of the hereafter, and yet, do not forget your share of the world.
This narration actually means that one should not make worldly success their number one priority, and instead dedicate most of their efforts in achieving peace of mind and body in both worlds. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
No matter how much worldly success one gains, eventually it will fade away. This fading will occur either when one is alive, or their success will part from them when they pass away. Countless people have constructed great empires and achieved much worldly success, yet all of this achievement eventually faded away. How many people have had their name plastered across skyscrapers, only for their name to be removed and forgotten after a short while? This narration does not mean that a person will not be given success after facing trouble. Muslims should strive to achieve success in the world and not quit when they face setbacks. The key is to prioritize the success of the hereafter over the material world, by using the blessings and success of the material world to achieve success in the hereafter. One can achieve this by striving for lawful worldly success, in order to fulfill their responsibilities and duties without waste and extravagance. They should also utilize their worldly success to aid them further in obtaining peace of mind and body in both worlds, by spending their extra wealth in charitable projects. If their worldly success can influence society, then they should use this in a way which benefits others. A Muslim should behave in this manner before their worldly success fades away, and they lose out on using it to achieve peace of mind and body in both worlds. Simply put, success in the material world will pass away, but the success of the hereafter will endure. Therefore Muslims should dedicate their efforts accordingly.